everyone. So today's video is going to be an informational video regarding iron deficiency anemia, in which I will cover definition of iron deficiency anemia, risk factors, causes, signs and symptoms, diagnostic evaluation, bioavailability sources and complications. So let's start. What is iron deficiency anemia? Iron deficiency anemia is a common type of anemia due to insufficient iron in blood. This is the condition the blood lacks adequately healthy red blood cells. Now let's talk the risk factors of iron deficiency anemia. A diet lacking in certain vitamins and minerals. A diet consistently low in iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, which increases the risk of iron deficiency anemia. Other risk factors like chronic disease, age, family history, intestinal disorders, pregnancy and menstruation. Now next is causes of iron deficiency anemia. Inadequate iron intake due to poor diet or restrictive diet. Inflammatory bowel disease like ulcerative colitis and worm infestation. Increased requirements during pregnancy and blood loss through heavy periods and internal bleeding. So now these are all the causes of iron deficiency anemia. Now next we will see the signs and symptoms of iron deficiency anemia. Fatigue, pale skin, weakness, poor capillary refilling time, pale conjunctiva, brittle nails, cold hands and feet, headache, dizziness and lightedness, inflammation of tongue, unusual cravings for non-nutritive things like ice, dirt, chalk piece. Now let's talk about the diagnostic evaluation of iron deficiency anemia. First is complete blood count. In this, the hemoglobin level should be checked, low serum iron, low iron saturation, physical examination and history collection. So these are all the diagnostic evaluation of iron deficiency anemia. Now let's talk the bioavailable sources of iron. Green vegetables are the best source of iron, which includes cauliflower, sprouts, capsicum, turnip seeds, peas, lima beans. Sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is very essential for the body for the absorption of the iron. So vitamin C sources are orange, lemon, amla and guava. So these are all the sources of vitamin C. Now let's talk about the cooking method to consume iron. Cook the food in iron pot. Now the boiling method is the best method to consume the iron directly in the food. Some of the vegetables are also there which can be eaten raw, like radish, carrot, tomato. So these are all the vegetables can be eaten raw, which helps in the direct consumption of the iron. So now let's talk about the complications of iron deficiency anemia. Depression, heart problems, increased risk of infection, motor and cognitive development delay in children, pregnancy complications like low birth baby, preterm baby, stillbirth. So these are all the complications of iron deficiency anemia. So I hope I have shared enough knowledge regarding iron deficiency anemia and how to treat it with the direct consumption of the iron from bioavailable sources. So thank you so much for watching.